All right, this is the JV work for the 4 people who come out toward the end of the performance after the floor has been pulled. So you guys are going to be starting out like this. And then we're just going to do it to words. So it's like this. You're going to do a palm roll. And then you're going to turn slowly. Then you're going to come up. Maybe do a row into a flat. At that point, you're going to come over like that. Then you're going to come into a drop spin, come around. And when you come around, you're going to come around like this, and around. And then from there, well, then you toss. It's really hard to do it slow. Okay, so here's what it looks like a little faster. It's going to go around like that and up. Then you come around, and step over, you're going to drop spin, around, toss, catch, down like this. And then we're going to like curve out like this or something so that we can get into this spot like that. Okay? And then that's going to be a big chorus. Let me do it from the back. Okay, so from the back, you're like this, right? You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come up, row, go around, row. Then you're going to come up to a drop spin. Then you're going to turn around and do like an attitude leap. Touch it like that would be optimum. Okay? And then I would like to get it like maybe like that. Because then everybody's going to have to do something like that. We're all going to move together from there. All right, that's that part.